What if I told you that India has developed a military-grade bomber drone capable of changing the game in defense technology? Welcome to the world of the FWD-200B, a testament to India's prowess in the field of defense tech. This isn't just any drone, it's India's first military-grade bomber drone. It's a significant leap forward for the nation's indigenous defense industry, an achievement that underscores the country's evolving technological capabilities. The FDW-200B is the brainchild of IdeaForge, an Indian company that joined forces with the Indian Army to bring this ambitious project to life. Together, they've created a drone that stands as a testament to the power of collaboration and innovation. This isn't just a drone, it's a game changer, a piece of technology that's poised to redefine the boundaries of what's possible in the field of defense. Now that we've piqued your interest, let's delve into what makes the FWD-200B such an exceptional piece of technology. To fully appreciate the FWD-200B, we must understand its technical details. Designed and developed by IdeaForge in collaboration with the Indian Army, this bomber drone is a testament to India's burgeoning defense industry. Weighing in at a takeoff weight of around 440 pounds, the FWD-200B has the capacity to carry a payload of up to 110 pounds. This makes it capable of carrying a significant amount of explosives or other military equipment. But what's truly impressive about the FWD-200B is its range and endurance. It can cover a distance of over 62 miles and stay aloft for up to 2 hours. This allows it to conduct long-range reconnaissance and strike missions with ease. When it comes to speed and agility, the FWD-200B doesn't disappoint. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 93 miles per hour, its high degree of agility makes it a formidable tool for complex military operations. Propulsion plays a key part in the drone's performance. The FWD-200B is powered by a hybrid propulsion system, combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor. This innovative setup provides a high degree of efficiency and reliability. But what truly sets the FWD-200B apart is its advanced autonomy features. Equipped with GPS, INS, and terrain-following radar, it can operate independently and navigate through challenging terrain. Furthermore, its sensor and communication suite is nothing short of impressive. With electro-optical and infrared cameras, as well as communication systems that enable real-time data transmission and reception, the FWD-200B is truly a state-of-the-art machine. And let's not forget about weaponization. Designed to carry a variety of payloads including bombs, rockets, and missiles, the FWD-200B is a capable strike platform. From these specifications, it's clear that the FWD-200B is not your average drone. It's an advanced piece of military hardware that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in unmanned aerial technology. Autonomy and navigation are where the FWD-200B truly stands out. The drone is equipped with advanced autonomy features, including global positioning system, inertial navigation system, and terrain-following radar. These features are not just added bonuses, they're game changers. Let's take a closer look. The Global Positioning System, or GPS, provides the drone with precise location data, helping it to navigate accurately even over vast featureless terrains. The Inertial Navigation System, or INS, acts as a backup to GPS, providing navigation capabilities even in the event of GPS signal loss. And the terrain-following radar? This lets our FWD-200B fly low, hugging the contours of the landscape to avoid detection. But it's not just about being elusive. These features also enable the drone to operate independently, so it can conduct long-range reconnaissance and strike missions with little to no human intervention. With such advanced navigation capabilities, the FWD-200B is a force to be reckoned with. But the FWD-200B isn't just about flying around, it's a fully equipped military machine. With a sensor suite that would make any gadget enthusiast green with envy, the FWD-200B is a veritable eye in the sky. Its range of sensors includes electro-optical and infrared cameras, allowing it to see clearly in both the day and night. But its vision doesn't stop there. The drone also boasts an advanced communication system, allowing it to send and receive real-time data. This means that the operators back at base can see exactly what the drone sees, providing them with crucial information in real time. But seeing isn't everything in the world of military operations. That's where the FWD-200B's weaponization capabilities come into play. This drone is designed to carry a variety of payloads, from bombs to rockets and missiles. With a payload capacity of up to 50 kilograms, it can deliver a significant punch, making it a formidable strike platform. Yet in the world of warfare, it's not just about what you can hit, but also about what can hit you. And that's where the FDW-200B's stealth features come into their own. The drone is designed to have a low radar cross-section. In other words, it's difficult for enemy radar to detect, making it a nightmare for any air defense system. This stealth capability gives the FWD-200B a significant advantage, allowing it to get closer to its targets without being detected. So, whether it's conducting long-range reconnaissance, delivering a payload of explosives, or evading enemy radar, the FWD-200B is more than up to the task. Its sensor suite, weaponization capabilities, and stealth features make it a formidable tool in any military operation. So you see, this isn't just a drone. It's a fully equipped, high-tech military machine, capable of performing a range of complex operations. From surveillance to strikes, the FWD-200B is fully equipped for any mission. The FWD-200B isn't just a standalone system. It's designed to work seamlessly with existing military systems. This cutting-edge drone easily integrates with the Indian military's command and control networks and can be controlled from diverse platforms, be it ground stations or aircraft. But that's not all. The FWD-200B is a master of adaptability. Its high modularity allows for easy customization to meet specific mission requirements. This means it can be adapted to new technologies and payloads, making it a long-term investment that will evolve with the times. Safety is also a priority in its design. The drone comes equipped with numerous safety features, from redundant systems to emergency landing protocols. There's even a lost link procedure in place to prevent unauthorized access, ensuring that the FWD-200B only stays in the right hands. With the FWD-200B, India takes a significant leap forward in defense technology, paving the way for a new era in military operations.